When you're dropped on a planet that's revolving under your feet, the message is clear. You were made to move. To step forward and chase after the next amazing version of yourself. To not just accept what you see, but imagine something new. At Invisalign, we're always innovating, constantly improving the most advanced teeth straightening technology. And every day we help people reinvent themselves, reshaping more than 4 million lives and counting. Because wherever you are now, you know something better is out there. It's time to unleash your secret weapon. It's there, right under your nose.